So here's an update. We got the electronics on, the Delta Pi, the power, the brains. I got the strings on. Haven't quite got it all done yet, but most of the electronics, or all the electronics, are on. The switches are on. I got the hot end is in, wiring for the fans. Got a spool of plastic on, so it's definitely getting somewhere. Update for a project. A buddy of mine came to me asking me, we're going to do a little bit of a trading, and if you remember the guitar body I did on the CNC machine, he came to me and asked me if I could design, because I wanted to make this a 7-string, but I've been wanting an 8-string guitar. So I went and designed this, which is an 8-string bridge. 3D printed, brass overs, saddles, each one adjustable, Allen wrench, adjustable. The strings will come through the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8-string guitar, 3D printed. Mounting holes. The strings will be a through body, so that means the strings will come through the body of the guitar, and they'll be grounded on the other side, so you don't have to ground this off whenever you have it sitting on the guitar. And I might actually, instead of making this a 7-string Telecaster, I might just go ahead and make me another 8-string and just print myself out another one. So I went on to SolidWorks and worked up my own saddles, my own design, which will work absolutely perfectly. Fully adjustable for the intonation. You can see right through there. There's the string position. You can adjust that, and you can adjust your height of your strings. Badass. One of a kind. There's only 2 in existence. He's gonna make me a guitar body for an 8-string, and I'm gonna print him out the parts that he needs for the Delta Pi so he can make his own. So yeah, 8-string guitar bridge, 3D printed. Only 2 of them on the planet. One of a kind. How cool is that? Absolutely perfect. Eat your heart out, guitar players. This is going to be something big. Anybody's interested in investing and wants to talk to me about doing some production sales, let me know. A lot cheaper than buying all that 3D machine stuff. I mean, I could do it on the machine too, but where else can you take a STL file and print out your own 8-string bridge and make your own 8-string guitar? When the guitars are $1,800, $2,000, you can just, and it all comes down to the bridge and the neck. But so this is the update for the filabot. Let me unplug it here, and we'll move it over here so I can show it a little better. Heavy little monster. Here's the filabot. So we basically have a 3D printed hopper with the screw in the center, 3D printed main gear, a 3D printed drive gear, windshield wiper motor. We have power, a solid state relay, a PID, a voltage regulator, which is no good, and I am waiting for a new one. Got a thermocouple type K, which will tell us how hot it gets. This is your temperature control PID. It is a Rex C100. 3 switches, main power control for this turns the PID on, and for the motor. This will have a 1.74 hole in it. These will heat up. Material goes in here, gets moved down here. This heats it up to molten state, squirts it through the hole. This cools it down, and then there'll be another system that winds it as it's pushing it through. So there's a little update, but I really wanted to show you that. That's going to be insane, and I'll be doing videos on the guitar build. He's actually got the guitar body put together now, glued up, and we're going to make 2 8-strings that match. But I want to do a little update for everybody and let them see what was going on with this. So, alrighty, well, got 2 projects almost completely running. The Delta Pi is 99.99% done, and the filabot is 99.9% done, and the 8-string is coming soon, and that's about 50% done. So, yeah. Anybody that has any ideas how to market these things and can help me make some money, I will help you make some money. 8-string guitars. So, really cool. And it's dead nuts on. So, fully adjustable. 3D printed. I'm just so jacked about that, I can't even believe how really cool it came out. Nice brass. So, yep. Alright. We will talk at you later.